Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you on a vibrant walking tour through one of Singapore's most colorful and culturally rich districts, Little India. This neighborhood is a feast for the senses, full of history, delicious food, beautiful temples, bustling markets, and dazzling colors around every corner. We begin our journey at the historical park, a quiet green space that holds stories from the past. This park may seem simple, but it represents the humble beginnings of the Indian community in Singapore. You'll notice plaques and signs sharing tales of the first immigrants, traders, workers, and families who came here to build a new life. From these peaceful surroundings, we begin our walk into the heart of Little India, where tradition and modern life blend seamlessly. And now, we've reached Tekka Center, one of the most iconic spots in Little India. This place is buzzing with life. It's a multi-use complex, part hawker center, part wet market, and part shopping arcade. As we step inside, the first thing that hits you is the aroma, rich spices, sizzling curries, fresh vegetables, and sweet desserts all mixing together. Let's take a walk through the food stalls, just look at all the options. From spicy fish head curry to fragrant biryanis, crispy dosas to Indian Muslim roti prata, there's something here for every craving. Check out this stall, they're serving up hot dosai, fresh off the grill. And over here, you'll find some incredible North Indian cuisine, naan bread puffed up, fresh out of the tandoor. Beyond the food court, Tekka Center also has a wet market where locals buy fresh produce, seafood, and meats. The colorful fruit stands, the smell of coriander and curry leaves, and the vibrant chatter of vendors give this place its unmistakable energy. And don't miss the textile shops upstairs. This is where you'll find gorgeous saris, Punjabi suits, and all kinds of traditional Indian wear. The fabrics are bright, luxurious, and perfect for festivals or weddings. Tekka Center is more than just a market, it's a celebration of culture, cuisine, and community. It's the beating heart of daily life in Little India. From Tekka, we make our way onto the famous Serangoon Road, the main artery of Little India. And just look at this, both sides of the road are lined with colorful shop houses, temples, goldsmiths, florists, and all sorts of stores that invite you to stop and explore. These buildings are painted in bright hues, pinks, blues, yellows, a photographer's dream. They're more than just pretty. Many of these shop houses are over 100 years old, standing as symbols of Singapore's multicultural heritage. Let's take our time here and soak in the atmosphere. Here's a shop selling garlands made of fresh jasmine and marigold. The scent is beautiful, floral and sweet, used in prayers and festivals. And over here, a jewelry store glittering with gold bangles, necklaces, and earrings. In Indian tradition, gold is more than fashion, it's a symbol of prosperity and heritage. Look at this spice shop, shelves filled with turmeric, cumin, cardamom, and masala blends. Just standing here makes you hungry again. Street vendors, aunties in saris, families shopping for groceries, music playing from temple loudspeakers. This is Little India in its full glory. And speaking of temples, here's the beautiful Sri Veeramakaliamman Temple, one of the oldest Hindu temples in Singapore. Its vibrant Gopuram tower is covered in intricate sculptures of gods and goddesses. You'll often see worshippers entering with flowers and offerings. As we continue walking, take a moment to admire how every storefront has its own personality, whether it's a corner cafe selling teh tarik, a stall offering traditional Indian sweets like gulab jamun, or a shop with rows of colorful bangles and bindis. This stretch of road is especially lively during Deepavali, the festival of lights strung across the street, music in the air, and crowds shopping for decorations and gifts. But even on a regular day, Serangoon Road is alive with stories, flavors, and traditions. As we near the end of our walk, it's clear that Little India isn't just a place, it's a living, breathing mosaic of culture. It's where tradition meets modern life, where food brings people together, and where every corner tells a story. Thank you so much for joining me on this walking tour through Little India, Singapore. I hope you enjoyed this journey through its history, food, colors, and culture as much as I did. If you like this video, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment about your favorite part, and subscribe for more walking tours and cultural explorations. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep exploring.